Hello everybody. Before I start this actual video, I want to say thank you to all of you. At the time of filming this, I'm at 599. It wasn't too long ago I filmed a 500 subscriber thank you video. Channel's growing. Unfortunately, YouTube has decided to make it to where you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers in order to make money. That doesn't bother me. I don't do this for money. I don't make very much. And just to give you an idea, in about a month's time frame, I may have made $20, $30 with the views I get. I don't get a whole lot, but I don't do this for the money. I do this simply because I like helping people out, and I love doing this. This is just a fun hobby, and all 599 of you, I know all of you don't actually watch the videos, but the few of you who keep watching and are always here, I appreciate every single one of you, and you see that when I reply to your comments. But today's video, I'm going to show you something on how to save yourself some money. So in my 70 Charger Jezebel, it's got a radio. But that radio is going in my dad's 68 Charger. That's the radio out of his original 69. And Jezebel don't need a radio. She's going to have 650 ponies that I can listen to constantly. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this destroyed, cut up radio bezel. I don't know how well it's going to show up, so I'll flip this back around. This guy. And we're going to make a radio delete plate. These through Classic Industries are about $120, $150. It depends. And we're going to make our own out of this thing because it's been cut up and hacked and it's far from perfect. So what we're going to do, and this is kind of silly, but I have this 68, which is a different texture pattern. It's vertical lines versus the grain, but it's not going to be a huge deal. I'm not ultimately worried about it. We're going to cut a chunk of this out and attempt to plastic weld it into this, and if this is successful, then we'll move on to actually repairing the grills. What I've done is I've already cut out a template. This side, this is oversized. This is going to fit inside of there and match the vertical lines there, and I've already got it marked out on the back of here where I'm cutting, and yeah, the lines aren't straight because this isn't straight. It's going to be a little bit oversized. We're going to get this cut out with my Dremel tool with a little cut-off wheel, and we're going to set up the little camera and let you check it out as we build this here radio delete plate. Alright guys, let's get to moving. There we go. There's our section we've cut out. Still got a couple rough edges. It's not straight. It's oversized. I left this lip on there because that's what's going to line us up to get us in the spot. We're going to take that piece, we'll flip it over, obviously. There you go. You're going to take that edge. We're going to set her down in there. Once this is actually actual size. And then that'll be flush in there. Then we'll have to heat it up and get this contour burned into it. And I hate how this thing keeps losing focus. So we're going to keep moving forward. Oh, I had to skip a whole bunch because it's been a pain in the ass. So right now I just got the corner super glued in. We're going to get the sides plastic welded in, then we're going to get that to meet the contour. So yeah, this has been a major pain in the ass. Enough of a pain in the ass that I had to stop filming so I could focus because I've been trying to get everything smooth and pretty decent. There's going to be a gap probably, but I'm not ultimately worried about it. So yeah, there we are so far. I'm going to break out the plastic welder and try my hand at that for the first time. The little camera's dead on battery, so I can't film that, unfortunately. I might have to wait to charge it. I don't know how much of a hurry I want to get into for getting this done. Let that super glue dry, because super glue is flammable and I don't want a fire in my bedroom. By the way, cleaned my room. I was able to put one of my Hemi tunnel rams in here with two 750 double pumper Hollies that are inline carbs. So yeah, I thought that was kind of cool. Anyway, we're gonna get this baby started and show you when we get it done. Holy crap, I apologize, the little camera ran out of batteries or memory, so I couldn't finish recording that, but there we go. We still have that bottom section to weld in. You can see some spots where I got this a little too hot and started to deform the piece here. But it's not a big deal, because when it's mounted in the car, you won't be able to see it. I mean, it does look weird, the vertical lines with the texture, but it works. This plastic welding is a tough, tedious process. I shouldn't really say tough, it's just very tedious, and I think I got it figured out. Just like actual welding, it's a lot of swirling involved. I just went over and smoothed all this out. For the most part, it's a lot of shit. It looks like crap. I'll probably sand it down, make it look a little bit nicer. Just learning how to do this, teaching myself. But I found when you're joining two pieces that are separated, like right up here where these have been cut, you just take the tip of your gun right there, and you just say, this is my gun here. You just run it down the groove and join the two pieces back together with some heat, and then you add your filler rod in there, and then it's golden. It's pretty easy. You just got to make sure and not let it warp too much, which obviously I did, but this is going in my 70 Charger, and it's not pretty, it's not perfect, so it'll be fine. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just fill in this bottom gap area so there's no daylight, and we'll call it done. There's no sense in adding any more to the video. You know how it's going to look. It's going to look just like that, but repainted and all that jazz. So I just thought this would be a good video to film, because this is something you can definitely do on your own. You don't even need the plastic welding kit. You can get like a $20 thing of plastic epoxy that'll do the same shit pretty much. In fact, it's probably better than the plastic welding kit. Still on the fence of that kit. My dad bought it for me, and not 100% sure of it just yet. But I'll show you the kit that we bought, just in case you know it's something you do want to buy. It's Mini Weld Model 7 Airless Plastic Welder by Polyvance. Company in Alabama. But yeah, this thing costs $120 if you want to buy it. Of course, it's pretty, it's nice, it's perfect for, a high-end restoration, perfect hot rod kind of deal. You'd spend $120. But for me, I don't see this as $120 worth of plastic. So, made my own. Simple shit you can do on your own, save yourself some money. So I appreciate y'all for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope I didn't bore you, because this one was kind of boring. But it's just something I wanted to film. So, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.